So it's a little embarrassing to say that after using Premiere quite a bit for about 6 months, I really didn't realize how easy copying and pasting clips were. So, for example, if we look at this particular clip here where I have a couple titles that run in and out, and say I want to just grab this whole section and I want to copy that. So typically I would right mouse button and I would say copy. You would think that would work. Then I would come over here and I'd right mouse button and say paste. If I can find paste. I can't, but I'm going to do Command V. And it does something funny. It like inserts it here. And I know there's tricks you can do with overlaying and overwriting. I'm going to Control Z that out. But what I really wanted is I just wanted to take this little chunk of stuff and I wanted to put it right next to it. So all you've got to do is hold the Option key down and then drag it all. And poof, everything is copied exactly. And now you have all new items. You can change the titles to whatever you want. It's just amazing. Anyway, Option key, select what you want. If I just wanted these three things, I could hold the Option key down and just drag them to wherever I want. Simple, but oh my gosh, I wish I knew that 6 months earlier.